Hi, I'm Mark from Hard Hat Hunter, and we're at Canadore College today to do a demonstration on mortising a hinge. Alright, so first thing we're going to do today, guys, is I'm going to take some measurements and we're going to lay out our hinge from the top and the bottom and the center. Okay, so once we have our layout line, we're going to take our hinge and we're going to set it on our door. And we want to make sure that we have about 1/8 of an inch of a back set right here on the front. So I'm going to take my center punch, just going to punch a hole right in the middle of the middle screw hole. I'm just going to temporarily drill the hinge to the door. And I'm going to use my utility knife to score the edges. Score it along the edge. I'm going to stop before I get to the end and come back the other way just so I don't overcut. And again with the sides. And once I've done that, I'll take my hinge back off. I'm going to mark my depth. So common hinge is about 1/8 of an inch. I'm just going to place the hinge flush to the top and just score a little line with my pencil. And that's just going to allow me to have a reference point for when I start chiseling just my depth of my hinge. Okay, so now I have my depth and my lines scored for the hinge. I'm just going to take my knife again and just rescore just to make it a little bit deeper. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my chisel and my hammer and I'm going to make a couple relief cuts along the hinge, making sure that I'm staying within my lines. And doing this will allow me to remove material a little bit easier in my mortise. Now I'm just going to start in the center, finding my depth. And you can pull out your utility knife and just score your edges again, just to remove some of the excess material. Make a nice clean mortise. Now we're going to take our hinge and just run your finger along the edges. It looks like it's nice and flush. So it's ready for the install. Once I've got all my hinges mortised, laid out, mortised out, I'm going to take my hinges and we're going to place it on our mortise. We're going to take our center punch right in the middle of the screw hole. Just give it a small little tap. Again, we're doing this just to ensure that our screws go in nice and straight. Take our screws. Just gently put them in. You can use a drill or a screwdriver, whatever you feel comfortable with. And there you go, the hinge is installed. And our door is ready to be hung. I'm Mark from hardhathunter.com, and I'll see you next time.